Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can add Instamojo customers to Pabbly email marketing. So let's take an example that you are selling some products digitally and you are collecting the payments through Instamojo payment gateway. Now you want that whenever you receive an order and you receive a payment through your Instamojo account, automatically using the details of the order and the payment, you want the customer to be added to your Pabbly email marketing account. So that you can contact the customer, you can send the promotional and offers messages to the customers in future, and you can use the customer database for the business related purposes. But here the problem is that there is no direct connection between your payment gateway, that is Instamojo, and Pabbly email marketing. So how you are going to do this? So here in this video we have came up with an amazing automation by which whenever you are going to receive a new payment in your Instamojo account or whenever a new sale happens in your Instamojo account, automatically the customer will be added as a new subscriber to your Pabbly email marketing account. And to set up this automation we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Instamojo with Pabbly email marketing automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So how you're going to set up this automation? For that you need to come to my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By creating a new account, you're going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we need to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Add Instamojo Customers in Pabbly Email Marketing. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a customer makes a payment in your Instamojo account, automatically the same customer should be added to your Pabbly email marketing account. For that, first we need to create a connection or an integration between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. So just open this trigger window and here let us choose the application name as Instamojo. Select the trigger event as new sale. Now we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Instamojo account. So let's copy this webhook URL from here and I'll just take you to the dashboard of my Instamojo account. And here we'll be moving to the Smart Pages option. Okay. So here you can see I have already created a page name Programming Languages. Okay, I'm just going to click on these 3 dots and I'll click on Edit Page. So here you can customize the page as per your requirement. I'll just show you the details, whatever I have filled in the page. Here I have given the title as Programming Languages. Okay, I have given the page header. And here you can select the theme as per your requirement. When we scroll down, here we have the options of multiple products to be mentioned. Okay, here I have given product 1 as core PHP programming. Here I have given the test amount. Okay, in the same way I have added my second product, its amount, and here I have added the third product also and its amount. Okay, so here I have added the test amounts. You can add the actual amounts of the products. Okay, now when we scroll down, here we can find page settings option. Come to page settings and at last we can find add webhooks option. So you have to simply enable it. And here we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect and click on save and update. Now it is asking, yes, we want to save and update it. Okay, Smart Page Programming Languages edited successfully. Now we are going to just click on these 3 dots and we are going to view the page. Okay, and here you can see that the page is ready. Here you can find the product names and their test amounts. Okay, now we have set the integration between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new sale is going to happen, all the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to make a payment on the name of a customer. So let's move to the page. Okay, and here I'm just going to make a payment for core PHP programming product. Let's click on pay now. Let's give the first name of the customer as demo, last name as name itself. Here I'll be adding the email ID as demo@pabblytuts.com. Okay, and here I'll be just adding the mobile number. Now let's click on pay. The payment is getting processed. Okay, and here I'm just going to make the actual payment. So I'll just scan this QR code. Okay, the payment is getting processed over here. Payment successful. Okay, and here we can see that the order has been placed. Thank you for your order. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And within some seconds, the order details will be captured over here in the webhook response. Okay, and here we can see the payment ID. Here we can find the payment status as success. We can find the payment amount, its currency, completed date and time. Here we can find the buyer name. Here we can find his email address. Here we can find his phone number. Okay, and here we can find the product name also. So all the details are captured. Now we want this particular customer to be added to our Pabbly email marketing account. For that, scroll down, come to this action step, and here we are going to choose the application name as Pabbly Email Marketing. Let us select the action event as Add Subscribers. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. And now it is asking for the bearer token. Enter your bearer token. And here a screenshot is also attached. You can find the above detail by logging to a Pabbly email marketing account. After login, go to integrations and you can find the developer API as shown in the below screenshot. So we have to go to integrations and we can find the developer API. Okay. So I'm just going to cancel it. And from here itself, we are going to access to our Pabbly email marketing account by clicking on these 9 dots. So as I'm already logged into my Pabbly account, I'll be redirected to Pabbly email marketing account now. Okay, so we are into our Pabbly email marketing account. Now we have to click on integrations option and we have to just click on developer API and we can find the bearer token. So I'll just copy it. I'll move back to Pabbly Connect and here we are going to just click on connect once again. Click on add new connection and here we'll be pasting the bearer token to create a connection. And now let's click on save. And now Pabbly email marketing account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can find all the list name that we have created in our Pabbly email marketing account. Okay, let's move to the subscribers option over here. And you can find all the list names. Okay, so all these list details are captured over here. Okay, so we want the detail of the customer to be added to our Instamojo customer list. Okay, if you want, you can create a new list from here also by clicking on this plus sign, create new list. And then by refreshing, you can find your sheet name or the list name over here. Okay, now it is asking for the email address and the name of the customer that needs to be added to our Pabbly email marketing account. So we have already got the customer details from our Instamojo trigger response over here. So we will be mapping the email address as well as the name of the customer. For mapping, simply click it over here, come to Instamojo. And here let us map the email address. In the same way, we'll be mapping the name also. Okay, the name was demo name. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see status as success message, list updated successfully, total emails in list is 1. So here by refreshing, we can find that the details of the customer are added over here. Before refreshing itself, we can find the customer name and his email address. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we want to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to the page once again, my Instamojo page. And here I'm just going to make a payment on the name of some other customer. Let us select the product as Learning Python Basics this time. Click on Pay Now. And I'm be adding the first name as dummy, last name as name itself, and let us add the email address as dummy@pabblytuts.com. Let's add the mobile number over here. I have added a random mobile number. Okay, and now let's click on pay. Okay, so I'll just scan this QR code once again to make the payment. Okay, the payment is getting processed over here. Payment successful. Okay, thank you for the order. So the order has been placed. Now we need to check whether our dummy customer is added in our Pabbly email marketing subscriber list or not. So let's move to our Pabbly email marketing account. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and now we can see the Instamojo customer list is added. The subscriber count is 2 over here. Let's open it, and here we can see that our dummy customer is added over here. We can find his name as well as his email address. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the order and the customer whenever a new sale has happened. And then using the details, we have added the same subscriber or the same customer to our Pabbly email marketing subscriber list. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Instamojo and Pabbly email marketing using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.